Anthony, looking great. Looking great. Nice work. Okay, just a couple of recommendations here, and I think that this is really going to work out well. Okay, my main thing has to do with typographic alignment. Okay, so this is great. Nice type, really good typography, but you've got at last 3 R's you deserve. That's in, looks like that's an Arial bold italic, but that's a headline, so don't forget, that should be Arial bold. Then subhead is an Arial bold italic. So same type requirements as the magazine had. Arial bold for the headline, Arial bold italic for the subhead, and then regular Arial for the body copy. Make sure that you change that for your final submission here coming up quickly. Okay, so at last 3 R's you deserve. I would right align this whole text, the headline, the subhead, and the body copy, because right now you get this really unusual negative space right here and right here. And that creates some uncomfortable visual tension. So I would right align that whole type right there. Next thing I would do is this logo right here is begging to be located right there. It's just begging to be located right here. Right here it's a little hidden. It's kind of cramped in there a little. It's just almost hidden. It's one of the last things we see in the composition. For that reason, I think it would be better from a branding standpoint as well as from a design standpoint to take that logo right there and move it right over here. Go ahead and right align it with the rest of the text so it's about that big right there. It's going to be a little bigger than it is right now. Okay? And then what I would do is I would take the drink and place it over here. And then underneath it, St. Croix, or U.S. Virgin Islands, or whatever, however you put that location. So, but I think that's going to really open things up a little bit, make a lot more sense, because right now, this is kind of an unusual cropped image, and that's not to say it's not going to work. Right over here, it's just kind of in the middle. It's in no man's land right here, and the fact that logo is I just think it's just begging to be located right there. And it makes sense too, because if we look at the image itself, and we look at her, we look at him, we tend to look at faces first. We follow his eye right across here. It's going to go right to the text and naturally move down right to the logo. So it's a great location in terms of branding. So again, in summary, watch your type requirements. Arial bold for headlines, Arial bold italic subheads, regular Arial. Right align your type, and then follow that right alignment right down there, and then align your logo again, right align about that big right there. Take the drink and just place it right over here, right above St. Croix. Make sure that when you place your logo down here, follow the baseline from the logo and just place that St. Croix right on the same baseline as the logo. Place the drink either right above it, maybe right next to it, and I think you're in business. Fantastic work. If you have any questions at all, please let me know, but I'll be glad to comment. If you want to repost by Sunday, that's great. But I would like to see, at the very least, I would like to see those changes. I think it'll help in your final solution here in regards to the possibility and probability of including this piece in your student portfolio. All right, great job. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks, man.